kumshi banta ban rakhi ka World Music Day hakar phawai tarik ujili 2000 arpusau ka West Jaintia Hills District kala sakhi ka jingle Burom ya ka nikasi Hammenthong District Library balapanya da ka Office u Deputy Commissioner rangkat ka jinga Trelang ka District Society for Arts and Culture West Jaintia Hills District haka nikasi le Burom ki Riew don sab haka tem kaput ka Shad ka Rwai rangkat lang bat ki tiar tem tiar put jong umen barim bat ki tiar bakat kum ka juk bamenta kilaya mi Rynsan ban ay ki jing Rwai jing Shad pen rai kum juk ki jing Rwai kat kum ka juk bamenta ladon ru ka jing pen ina me ki tiar tem tiar put ten rai kum juk ka jing pen ina Rynsan ye ki riam ki bet ten rai ki badon la ka jong ka jing mut bala phong da ki thei Samla nalor ki pat ba babon bala wan sakhi ka jing le Burom ka World Music Day la sakhi ru nadu uba lakmen rumbui MLA amlaram ba ulawan syakane kalumpung UDC but USP ka West Jaintia Hills District ki magistrate but ki office prepare
They are a symbol of rich cultural heritage. The muka symbolizing respect and social status. The thosuru with its beautiful patterns and motifs showcases artistic craftsmanship. They are mostly worn during important events, rituals and ceremonies, especially during NEHU, Chatsura and Chatlia. These attires are integral to our Jaintia identity. Today, many women wear them even on the occasions to preserve our culture and proudly display our heritage to the Chayung Yong Ochungang Wogi Yet Unche Open Scam Gayutang Lubat Ki Arling Kini Wade. Sarong or wrapped around cloth. This is made of every silk. Black thread is woven into off-white cotton. Thosuru has been woven in such a manner that black and white strips are of the same size and shape, arranged vertically and horizontally crossing each other at irregular intervals. This traditional garment was designed in a modern way. This garment represents peace, loving, and kindness. well-being. This dance symbolizes the strength and resilience of Jaintia women, adorned in a traditional attire made from muka, thosuru, and dhara, along with intricate jewelry that signifies their dignity and cultural heritage. The dance movements combined with the ornate jewelry highlight the community's artistic talent and aesthetic values. It serves as a living connection to ancestral roots, fostering community, bonding, and social harmony. Through its graceful steps and symbolic attire, the NEHU dance encapsulates the enduring spirits, unity, and aspirations for prosperity within the Jaintia society. Formed by the Jaintia people of Meghalaya, India. It involved dancers holding small plates in their hands, striking them together to create percussive beats. Dancers wear traditional attire and move in synchronized formations, often accompanied by traditional music like drums and bamboo flutes. This dance is significant for its cultural symbolism, reflecting community, unity, and celebrating occasions like festivals and harvests. It serves as a vibrant expression of the Jaintia culture, heritage, passed down through generations to preserve their identity and traditions. When designed in a modern way, it likely means that contemporary elements are incorporated while still respecting and preserving the traditional essence and identity of the garment. This approach ensures that while the design may be updated, it retains the cultural significance and heritage of the Penang people. Round of applause for one last time.